Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what's new on my bead mat. I wanted to show you some finished jewelry that I've made that I was really happy the way it turned out. I have some bracelets and I have some earrings. The bracelets are mostly fire polish with a few seed beads and some, metal findings in there. But I'm going to start out with this pair of earrings that I made. I love the way these turned out. I think they turned out really pretty. Some table cut check glass, and then the round saucer beads. I love the way these turned out. Let me turn on my light again really quick. It keeps fading out. Oh well. I think that's light enough. Okay. So yes, we have these, and they've got the tiny, tiny little 11-0. These are Picasso seed beads. So pretty. So I have these. Then I have been busy with earrings. Then I have these. And these are the same kind of beads as here, but these are like a coffee color. And then I have the check glass leaves in there, and the look like rondelles, the copper ones, and then I have some pinch beads and fire polish, and these are just a mixture of all the bead boxes, like Dollar Bead Box, Bargain Bead Box, Sam's Bead Box. I don't think there's any Jesse James in these. And then some of my own stash too. So I have those. Then, let's see. Oh, let me show you this next. So this I have, let me see, I think I have 2 of these. Oh no, I have 3 of these. These are 21 inches around. So I made these. And they're bracelets. I mean, you could wear it as a necklace if you want, but it's so pretty. I have the tiny little copper flowers, antique copper, and then it's mostly just fire polish, saucer beads, and there's a few little seed beads, but not really any. And then I have a silver lobster clasp. These look so pretty when they're on because you get like just a little sparkle of all of them. And then if you wanted to, you could really layer them up for a real pretty stack. Yeah, so I think these turned out really pretty. And then I have, these are really cute. These little owls, I think I got these in Dollar Bead Box, I think. It's been a while. I kind of just go into my stash when I start making earrings. I'm not really sure, but I thought these would be cute for fall. So I made these. I'm going to put these up on my Etsy store. I just thought these were so cute. Little owls, and they're double-sided. So I got some antique copper nickel-free ear wires. So I thought these are really cute. And again, I love these little saucer beads. I don't know where I have any more. I could show you. We usually get these in the Dollar Bead Box, if I'm not mistaken. We have gotten some through Sam's Bead Box, but I think they're mostly Dollar Bead Box where I get those. And the next I've got these. Let me open these up. These are so pretty. There's all check glass. And then these are 2 whole beads, so they go up into the thing, and then I have some silver ear wires. And this is 11O rose gold Miyuki seed beads intertwined. They almost look like silver. I love the color of these. Let's see if I can, I don't know if that helps or not. Oh, okay. Yeah, I love the color of these though, the rose gold. I've put these in a lot of my jewelry. So I have these. I'm really excited with all the earrings I've been working on. Let's see, and then I have another pair of earrings here. And again, I used the rose gold. Let me get these. I have them so that they lay straight when they're on the ear. So yeah, these, I think we got these from Bargain Bead Box, if I'm not mistaken. And copper rondelles, and then some, my AB Fire polish. And then just the nickel-free silver ear wires. So yeah, and then these are the 8O and the 11O rose gold. But I think these turned out really pretty. Let me see. Then I have these. I know I got these next ones from Dollar Bead Box, the two main beads, the table cut beads. And then these are, I think these are the rice beads from Sam's Bead Box. I'm not sure what, which month. And then just my black Miyuki 11O sea beads. And some of these little flower beads. I use them a lot as spacers when I get those. And then just some antique bronze ear wires. I think these turned out really pretty. And all my earrings are very lightweight. So, so I have these. Those are pretty. Then I made this bracelet. I think this is 21 inches long. And it's just some silver. And these are from Bargain Bead Box, these beads. And then fire polish. These are Dollar Bead Box. And there are a few seed beads, but not really any. A few silver bead caps. And then this beautiful bead, Mandela bead, I think it's called. I think it's Sun Mandela. I'm trying to think now. I love these. This turned out so pretty. And I went into a little bit into my bead soup. Like, I love this bead. This is just like a funky little bead with some spots on it. And I was like, the spots are actually red, but this pink is so dark that you can't really tell that it's red. So yeah, so this is my other one. Then I have, and these are my bird earrings. If you remember those little, let me see if I can get I think we got these from Sam's Bead Box. Sam's Bead Box or Dollar Bead Box, the table cut. But I did those with the saucer beads and then the leaves. And copper 11O seed beads. I use them as spacers because they give that little sparkle of color. So I loved these. These are so pretty. I got those. And then my last pair, which I actually think these could match with the bracelets. This is my last pair, and I almost think I could kind of go with this. I didn't plan it like that, but I think this is jasper. I'm not sure which kind, and then this is I think this is a agate, faceted agate, or carnelian. I can't remember. This is jasper. I think these are faceted agate. That's what they are. And then this is 2. So yeah, and then I have a 2-hole bead here, and 11-0, those rose gold beads again. I love those. And a copper fire polish bead. So this is all my jewelry for this week and my bead. What's on my bead mat? So I hope you like it. And let me know down in the comments what you've been working on and what you think of this, these pieces. So thank you for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And my links to Facebook, Etsy, Instagram, and Pinterest are below if you want to follow me on any of those. I would really appreciate it. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you soon on my next video. You have a great day.